Right, good evening everyone. It's 4:30ish, 17th of Feb, on the little car. Today I'm making front grille. So I just thought I'd show you what I'm up to today on this. I'm drilling out for the headlights because the headlights in these are going to be well, first of all, the grille is gold. It's actually 18 karat white gold. Don't like a dentist look away. This has been a bit of a job today to do this. Mind you, all of it's a bit of a job in all fairness. Only because to get it to fit as good as I'm trying to get it to fit is, it's not easy. It's just, I suppose it is what it is. I've also done a bit more work on the radiator today. What I'm about to show in 2 secs, you will love it, because I know I do. Quite a vile noise, isn't it? I'll show the radiator in a second. I'm just going to want to drill this one a little bit out first, and then I'll show you. Right, right, that's the front. Grille is made, 2 locating pins, 2 locating holes. Grille goes in. Happy days. There you go. Just brush it out actually. Hang on. So you can see that, hopefully. Don't know if you can see that. There you go. Don't know if you can notice one thing on this. It don't say Ford, it says Lord. That's me. Because it's my personal car at this moment in time, anyway. So yeah, looking good, isn't it? Right, radiator time. I've made the radiator today, and the red I've made roll cage. Made the red. There she is. Nice little thing. This is the best bit. Radiator cap. So there you are, and then that, hopefully, I asked everyone on earlier what the slam panel looks like. Just could not remember what a flipping slam panel looks like. if anyone's responded, I do thank you and I do appreciate it. But I've now done it. I had no choice but to cut a little bit of a rebate. See if it works. That's your reading. So there you go. So grill's made, grill's in. Oh, by the way, I got the hump with the old grill. Didn't like it. I get the hump quite a bit sometimes, but there's the old grill. I got the hump with that. That's why I tore it up. Just didn't like it. It's horrible. This one has got the edge going all the way around it. Like my rally car has got the black edge goes all the way around. Is it black edge? Sorry, all the grill is black, I beg your pardon, but the outer perimeter edge is white, and them two blades are white, and the LORD or FORD is white as well. So that's why I've done that. So anyway, that's fits now, which is pretty good. Let's take my exhaust system out. So yeah, that's what I've done today. What else have I done? Oh, that's it. I've made the exhaust fit a little bit better. I'll show you this actually. This is how the exhaust works. Goes through. I don't know if you lot can see it on there, but there's a little hole there. That little hole's got a screw in it to hold that part of the downpipe in.